Hi, today we have Nagur Babu, one of our students who enrolled UI/UX course in Purple. Let me give a quick brief introduction about Nagur Babu. Nagur Babu has completed his BTech in 2019 and then he has been selected for state level cricket championship. He has pursued his career in cricket around 3 years and he has been participated in multiple tournaments. Now he wants to switch his career from cricket to his software industry and then he has been joined in UI/UX course at Purple. Now he has been selected as a UI/UX designer in Glocian Technology Pvt Ltd. So let's get started. First of all, I'd like to congratulate you because you have it placed in Glocian Technologies. That's really great. So let me give a brief about Glocian Technology. So when it comes to Glocian Technology, it's a software development application based company for both AWS and mobile application developers. And when it comes to the role of Nagur Babu he is working as a UI/UX designer where he is going to work on some multiple stuffs like creating mobile app designs, wireframes, user experience and user research and all these things. So can you please tell me about yourself, Nagur Babu, and introduce yourself?
Hi guys, I hope everyone is good there. Myself, Nagur Babu, and I got a job opportunity at Glocian Technologies with the guidance of PurpleLane institution. I also would like to thank Bhavani sir, Keepika ma'am, and Nandikishwar sir, Dasam ma'am, Rang Venkatesh sir. Has helped me a lot in shaping my skills and understanding what UI by UX designs, and helped me a lot in creating user-centered designs. And I'm very grateful to them.
So can you please explain your the history which you have came from and when you have done your BTech and after BTech what you have done and where are you up to? Can you please brief about that?
After graduating in 2019, I have got an opportunity to represent my state cricket team. So after that, I have got busy schedules. So for that, I have decided to educate myself for 3 years for my cricket passion. So after some personal reasons, I wanted to shift my career.
That's
so in the search of the right path, one of my friends suggested a PurpleLane institution where they offer a UI by UX course. And after that, I approached Keepika ma'am, where she introduced me to the course curriculum. And the way she explained it, that attracts me towards joining the course.
That's really great, Nagur Babu. So it's really inspiring story which you have been shifted your career from a state cricket player to his UI/UX journey. That's really great. Appreciated for that. So how the course will help you to get placed?
The course has taught me a lot by providing us assignments. They're also doing some UI and UX projects.
Okay.
And whenever the students have doubts, they will arrange some doubt sessions also. For every 2 days, they will arrange doubt sessions, which helps a lot to the new students.
How was the interview experience? Like how many rounds has been done in the
interview? I have 2 rounds. The first one is the technical round. And there we have to introduce ourselves and they'll ask some technical questions. What is UI by UX? Also they'll ask some questions like a typography. And also we have to show our portfolio and we have to show Behance where we upload our projects like UI UX projects. So we have to go through the project and we have to explain each and everything. So in that they'll ask some questions and we have to explain that. And the second round is task round. They have given some task and they have given 3 days for me to make that task. They give some random topic and they have to create some landing page. After that, there will be a HR round.
Okay.
After the HR round, after 2 days, they have said that you have got select.
That's really great. That's really great, and it's a simple approach. All the rounds has been done. It's a very simple approach for you. That's really great. Things happen. So, have you struck at any point of in this learning part? So, how your doubts has been clarified, and how the entire PurpleLane teams help you to get placed?
At the start of the course, I have some doubts like creating some components like that. So because sir has helped me a lot in doubt sessions. Not only him, everyone is available whenever we have doubts. They are very good and they are ready to help at any time. So that's a good thing at PurpleLane. They are so friendly and nice man. They'll help.
Great, great. So, what do you want to suggest for upcoming designers? As a fresher, how you feel about the heat of the present industry?
And I have to learn a lot. I mean, like, we think that we know everything, but we have to learn every day and we have to learn new things. So, like, each and every day we have got to
Yeah. How the design challenges helps you to get you upskill in the practice sessions of the design process?
in the assignment sessions, for each assignment we have some different tasks. So that helps us to improve our designing skills.
Once again, congratulations, Nagur Babu. Thank you.
Thanks. One word is I'm very grateful for this. I would be like,
Yeah, thank you so much.
you helped me a lot.